Hey, this is Luke from Zip Scanners, where we make scanning easy. Today I'm going to show you the police scanner deal, why we bundled it together, what you would get if you purchased it, and why you should buy. So we took the most popular police scanner, the Uniden SDS100, and coupled it with the most popular accessories as well as services that we sell and offered free programming. This is by far our most popular selling unit, and the deal is the thing that we sell by far the most of. So I'll walk you through what's included to clear up any discrepancies. So this is what you would get if you buy just the SDS100. So you get the scanner, you get the belt clip, you get the SMA to BNC adapter. This is just the power cable, which goes into the AC adapter to charge it. This is the battery, the hands free clip, and this is the antenna that comes with it, the stock antenna. So pretty straightforward. Again, there's two ways to purchase this Uniden SDS100. So you can buy just the scanner, and this is exactly what you would get after you get it out of the packaging. Or with the deal, we have some extras. So the first thing we added was the Remtronix Antenna. So to make the Uniden SDS100 waterproof, they had to degrade the stock antenna. So while it's great that it's waterproof, the antenna or the range just decreased quite a bit. So we add this Remtronix antenna, which increases reception anywhere from 25 to 100% based on where you live and what you want to listen to. So that's pretty anecdotal from people that we've sold scanners to. Scanners work on line of sight, not satellites, so that varies greatly depending on where you live and what you want to listen to. With the deal, you get everything with the scanner and the antenna. We also have screen protectors. So we included 3 just in case down the road you want to add another one if it gets a little nicked or dinged. So it just protects your screen in case from scratches and dents. So the next option to make is software upgrades. This scanner can pick up phase 2 digital, phase 1 digital, trunk, and analog. There's certain types of phase 2 digital that affect certain parts of the country that it can pick up, but it's not included when you buy it. So those are ProVoice, DMR, and NXDM. Scanners can be a little tricky, so before you purchase, hit the click to chat button or call us at 737-777-9876 or email us at zip@zipscanners.com. Shoot us your zip code, where you live, and what you want to listen to, and our experts will take a look at your area and let you know if you need any of these software upgrades. So again, it doesn't affect most of the country. But if you live in one area and you want to listen to the police and they use the DMR, then that's a software upgrade you'll probably have to purchase. But again, hit the click to chat feature or just reach out to our techs. We're here 7 days a week and we'll let you know if you need to purchase that or not. Also included in this package is the one-touch startup. So what we do with that is make all the operating system upgrades. So from production to when you actually receive it, it's anywhere from a month to an 8-month delay, where like any software, like your phone or your computer, there's just software upgrades, so we make sure all those are taken care of so it's working well when you receive it. The last option is programming. So if you buy 1 county of programming, you get 3 free. So with 1 county of programming, you get police, fire, and EMS for the state you live in, as well as police, fire, and EMS for 1 county. So with the deal, you would get 4 counties. So you can name any 4 counties, and we will add the police, fire, and EMS for those. So it's a pretty good deal. Programming is by far the #1 reason that there's issues or concerns, or if you ever really read reviews or people really have problems, it all really boils down to that. So we push it pretty hard. Our technicians, they're experts. This is all they do every day, and it takes them upwards of a couple hours sometimes, depending on where you live, to program radios. So that is something that we highly recommend. So this is the deal. So again, it's what comes with the package: the antenna, the screen protectors, the one-touch startup. You can choose to have the software upgrades. Again, ask our technicians. We'll let you know if your area is affected by that, as well as the programming. So this has been our most popular deal. We highly recommend it. The SDS100 is just flat out the best scanner on the market, and I'm sure you'll love it. So this is Luke from Zip Scanners. If you have any questions, give us a call at 737-777-9876. We're on 7 days a week with the click to chat, so that those buttons should be popping up in the bottom right corner of your browser if you're watching this on our website, or just email us at zip@zipscanners.com. So again, this is Luke with Zip Scanners, where we make scanning easy with free shipping, lifetime technical support, and no taxes. All right, thank you.